Yes, we have paint color, and boy does it look sharp. This came out very nice, a very classic and unique color, and it is very striking with the black Line-X as to how clean and crisp and distinctive it is between the two. Again, just to note the line of Line-X in color. It looks great. Transmission tunnel cover is bolted on with the rubber boots located for the stock shifters. Another nice contrast between Line-X and color, and its distinctive line right there. So when the hood comes down right here, you'll be able to see, catch a little bit of your eye on the color and not really seeing the Line-X. It'll be very nice. So we have the body and the cowl here. Looks super sharp.